Hello, and today we're going to learn how to make a run away from the enemy ball game in Scratch. So let's get started. First, we make the background and sprites. So with a backdrop, you could use anything. I'm going to use a blue sky. And for the sprites, we need two balls. So this will be the player. And we could duplicate it to make the enemy ball. This will be the enemy. And we also need to give it different colors. You could make the player ball whatever color you like. I'm making it yellow. And you can make the enemy ball any color you like too. I'm making the enemy ball green. So first let's code the player ball. For the player ball, first we do a one flat click and forever. And then we want the player ball to go to the mouse pointer. So we do go to mouse pointer. Now if you click the flag, the player ball will follow our mouse pointer. Whee! But we also want the enemy ball to follow the player ball. It's going to try to catch the player ball. So we put all this script in the enemy ball, we duplicate it into it, and then we do glide 1 second to the player. Now if we test it, it follows the player ball. But when it touches the player ball, there's a problem. The game doesn't end. So to solve that, we're going to go in the player, duplicate this script, and instead of this, we put in an if, and then we do if touching the enemy, then it's going to broadcast end game. And this is going to enter game. And then it's going to stop the sprite. Then it's going to hide and stop the sprite. So we do not create a clone, but stop auto strips in the sprite, and then it's going to hide. Now we're going to take this forever loop and put it in the enemy. But instead of it being if touching, we're going to put it in when I receive end game. So now it should be following a mouse pointer. And we can't forget to show it when flat click. Show and show. Now it follows our yellow ball, and when it touches it, the player ball hides. Now not just the player, but we also want the enemy ball to hide. So we remove the touching enemy, we get this script out, and we put it in here. We don't need a broadcast because it's already broadcasted. Now there we go. Touches it, end game. But we just want a little bit more than them all to hide, so the player can know that the game ended. So we make a new sprite. We could paint this one, and it's going to say end game. So we could make it red, whichever color you want. I'm making it red. End game. Or you could do something else. As the end message, I'm doing end game. And beneath it, you could put click the flag to try again. So when it receives this, you add a one flag click. Now when the flag click, we want it to switch the backdrop to the normal one. Or if you want, you don't really need it. So yeah. So one flag click, this is gonna hide. And then when it's going to receive, it's going to show. And also you could add the switch backdrop to blue sky too if you want. So now if we try, it fully works and it touches it and game. So that's how you make a runaway from the ball game in Scratch. So like and subscribe to this channel. Bye and see you in the next video.